I joined the BJSU Honors College during my senior year as well, so once I decided on BG, I was always a high-achieving student in high school, and I actually wasn't sure if I wanted to continue that in college. I was kind of tired of always having to do the hard classes and be smart, I guess. So I was considering not doing anything honors and just being a normal student. I just kind of thought about it for a couple months, and I was like, might as well just apply, see what it's like, talk to some people about it. So I did that my senior year, and then actually was able to go through an interview process for a really awesome scholarship through the Honors College as well. So I've really loved all the mentors that I've received through the Honors College, the different people I've met. And then additionally, the academic side, it's been great to be challenged in classes and then also be in classes with students who value education the same way you do. So that's been really rewarding for me as a student as well.